Picture this for a moment. You wake up in the morning, not to an alarm clock that drags you out of bed, not to rush hour traffic, not to a boss waiting to dump another pile of work on you. Instead, you roll over, grab your phone or open your laptop, and your job for the day is as simple as replying to a few emails. And here's the exciting part. You can actually earn up to $300 a day just doing this. Yes, you heard me right. Real companies around the world are hiring everyday people like you and me, to handle basic email tasks from home. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need years of experience. You don't even need a perfectly polished CV. And in many cases, you don't have to go through a stressful interview either. This is not some get-quick-rich schemes or one of those scammy promises you've probably seen online. These are legitimate, well-known companies that need remote workers to help them manage communication, respond to messages, and keep their customers happy. And the best part, these opportunities are available no matter where you live, whether you're in Africa, Asia, Europe, or the Americas. So, if you've been dreaming of flexible work that you can do from your bedroom, from a cafe, or even while traveling, this video is going to open your eyes to real possibility. Stay with me until the end because I'll be walking you step by step through 6 trusted platforms where you can apply today. But before we dive into these companies, let's first talk about why this job matters and why you might want to consider them. Let's be honest, the traditional way of working has become outdated for many people. Think about it. You wake up early, you rush to get dressed, spend money on transport, squeeze into crowded buses, or sit in hours of traffic only to reach an office where you are stuck from 9 to 5. By the time you are done, you are exhausted, and most of your paycheck goes right back into commuting, foods, and bills. Now, compare that to the idea of simply opening your laptop at home with a cup of tea or coffee beside you, walking in your pajamas if you feel like it. No commute, no dress code, no stressful office politics, just you, your device, and your work. The world has changed. Remote jobs are no longer rare. They are becoming the new normal. And companies have realized something important. They don't need all their staff to sit in a physical office anymore. In fact, hiring remotely helps them save money, reach more talent, and operate 24/7 across time zones. That's where you come in. Email-related jobs are one of the simplest entry points into this new world of work. Almost everyone knows how to send an email, reply politely, and follow simple instructions. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be consistent, reliable, and willing to learn. And let me say this clearly. This is not just for people in developed countries. These jobs are open globally. So whether you are watching this from Lagos, Nairobi, Manila, Delhi, London, Toronto, or anywhere else, you can apply. Now, let's talk about who these jobs are best suited for. So, who can benefit the most from email reply jobs? Honestly, the list is long. If you are a student looking for a side hustle to earn extra income while studying, this is perfect for you. If you are a stay-at-home parent, these jobs give you the flexibility to earn money without leaving your children. If you are a beginner with no work history, this is a great way to start building your online career. If you are someone planning to relocate abroad, having a remote income source before you move can be a lifesaver. And of course, if you're a digital nomad or someone who loves to travel, these jobs allow you to work from anywhere in the world. The truth is, anyone who values flexibility, independence, and the ability to earn without sacrificing their lifestyle can benefit from this. Now, let's address the big question on everyone's mind. How much can you actually earn replying to emails? Depending on the company and the complexity of the role, if you dedicate yourself full-time or take on multiple projects, you can realistically $200 to $300 per day. Think about that for a moment. Even if you only work part-time at, let's say, $20 an hour for 4 days, that's $80 daily. Multiply that by 5 days, and you're looking at $400 a week or over $1,600 a month, and that's part-time. The best part is how payments are made. Most of these companies pay weekly or bi-weekly. Common options include PayPal, Wise, or direct bank deposits. For those outside the US or Europe, services like Wise make it easy to receive international payments straight into a local bank account. But here is a very important disclaimer. These jobs are real, but they still require you to apply, and sometimes you may need to wait for openings. Always read the job descriptions carefully. Don't rush, and never pay money upfront for a job. That's usually a red flag. Alright, now let's get into the part you've been waiting for. The 6 trusted companies where you can find email-based jobs. Before then, pardon my manners. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything in relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I respond to all of them, and share this video. You don't know whose life you are helping. And my returning subscribers, you know how we do it here. Real info with verified links. Please like this video so that YouTube promote this video to a wider audience, okay? And thank you for watching. Now, this is where you've been waiting for, the trusted companies. Number 1 is MailerLite. It's an email marketing platform used by businesses to send newsletters and manage customer communications. They regularly hire remote staff for positions like customer support, email support agents, and product assistants. The good news, even if you don't see a role posted right now, you can still join their talent pool and be contacted when opportunities open. This means you don't have to wait passively. Your application stays in their system. To apply, I'll drop in the link in my description. Scroll to the bottom, click on careers, and explore open positions, okay? The second company is InScope. InScope is one of the most remote-friendly companies I've ever seen. They build tools for websites, and they are always looking for global talent. Their roles ranges from support agents to writers and testers. What's unique about InScope is that they provide equipment. You don't need to worry about buying a new laptop. They also give you over 28 days of paid leave, and they even organize company retreats. Imagine traveling the world while working remotely. As always, link is in my description. Check their careers page. The third one is QuickMail. QuickMail is a platform that helps companies automate their email outreach. They hire remote staff worldwide for positions like client support, email operations assistants, and even technical roles. They also offer flexibility, so you can work part-time or full-time depending on your situation. Plus, they organize yearly company retreats, which is a fun perk. To apply, go to their website and scroll down and look for join our team, okay? Number 4 is ClickUp. ClickUp is a massive productivity tool used by companies worldwide. While their roles can be competitive, they do hire beginners for positions like customer success, admin support, and data entry. If you have a background in tech or you're willing to learn, your chances are even higher. To explore the opportunities, visit clickup.com and check their career section. 5 is the Automatic. Automatic is a company behind WordPress.com, WooCommerce, and other major platforms. They are fully remote and hire people from anywhere in the world. They often recruit for entry-level roles like customer support reps and what they call happiness engineers. Benefits include paid parental leave, career growth opportunities, and the freedom to work from literally anywhere. To apply, go to the website and click on work with us. Okay, and the last one, which is my best, is Textbroker. Finally, we have Textbroker. This one is slightly different because it's geared towards writing. If you enjoy creating content, or even if you are just willing to try with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, Meta AI, this is a great place to start. You'll be paid to write product descriptions, blog posts, and short content requests. The pay depends on your writing quality, but is a fantastic entry-level opportunities for beginners. To sign up, visit textbroker.com. I'll put in the link in my description and click on I write content. Okay? So there you have it, my friends. 6 legitimate platforms where you can apply today to start earning by replying to emails or creating simple content online. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need years of experience. All you need is a device, an internet connection, and a consistency to keep going. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these platforms are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far, type the word amazing in the comments so I know you're part of the family who watched to the very end. Let's confuse anyone who don't stick around, okay? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not already done so, share it to someone who's looking for remote work opportunities. Your support helps this channel grow and it means the world to me, okay? Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I'm definitely rooting for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. A big shout out to all my amazing channel members. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Because of you, I'm able to keep bringing life-changing job opportunities and resources every week. I appreciate you deeply. And if you'd like to join the family and enjoy exclusive perks like free CV and cover letter templates, just click the join button below this video. Remember, God loves you and I do love you too. Thank you for watching and bye for now.